Coming.
Julian, look at this! Spike. It's a spike kind of fruit.
The electricity bill.
Julian, look at the mushroom! A spiderweb and mushroom! Spiderweb.
Oh, spiderweb is cool.
Little mushroom?
Hey, look, there's a part, there's a part on the spider that's broken.
Where?
The abdomen. There's a huge chunk missing.
Oh. Hey guys, there's still in there. Look at that cube.
Huge.